Hello childrens. In last video we have discussed my home. So we have discussed what is home, what is parts of a house. We have discussed. So what is home? The house where we lived is called our home. Okay, we feel safe at home. We spend time with our family. We feel most comfortable at home. We have discussed parts of a house. Roof. The roof of our house keeps us dry during rains. Okay, we have discussed it. It protects us from the sun, wind, dust and cold. And windows. Sunlight and fresh air enters our home through windows. Sunlight kills germs that are inside the house. Okay, we have discussed it. Let's read. Let us learn. What do we learn at home? What do we learn at home? Our home is our first school. Here we learn many things. Our home is our first school. Here we learn many things. So students, which is the most beautiful place in the world? Which is the most beautiful place for us in the world? Our home is the most beautiful place for us in the world. Correct. So our home is our first school. Here we learn many new things in our home. Okay. Loving others. Everyone at home love each other. Everyone at home love each other. So we also learn to love others. We also learn to love others. Working as a team. At home we help each other. We learn to work like a team. These help us to make friends outside our homes. At home we help each other. So we help our mother in kitchen. Okay. We learn to work like a team. This help us to make friends. We learn to work like a team at home. Respecting rules. There could be simple rules at home such as not watching TV during dinner time. When we follow rules at home, it becomes easy for us to follow rules at school. There could be simple rules at home. Simple rules such as not watching TV during dinner time. Okay. When we follow rules at home, it becomes easy for us to follow rules at school also. Okay. Sharing. At home, we share the same TV set. At home, we share the same TV set, dining table and things such as toys. This teaches us to share our things with others too. When we share our things, we also get some things that we want. Okay. Our home is our first school. We spend time at home. We learn to work like a team at home. Okay. And our home keep us cool during summer season. See children, when it is a summer day, when it is summer season, when it is a summer day, what will happen outside? There is a very bright sun. If you go out some work and you will feel very hot, very hot. Yes, you feel very hot. Why? Because a sun is shining brightly and all the heat you are getting. You come back to your home and you go to the home where there is AC, you feel little bit of cool. And compared to outside, our home protect us from summer season. It keeps you cool. Yes. Next, good manners and habits. We learn good manners and habits at home first. Our parents teach us to say I am sorry when we do something wrong. When we do something wrong, our parents teach us to say sorry, I am sorry. Okay. Next, we say thank you when someone gives us something or does something for us. When someone gives us something, we say thank you. We use the word please when we want something. When we want something, we use the word please. Just as our parents protect us, our house also protect us. Just as our parents protect us, our house also protect us. Understood, students?